of what Ben Rhodes does from the inside of the second row.
Overtime in Las Vegas.
There goes Rhodes.
Sauter comes down to try to block. Meanwhile, Moffitt gets out front, and Crafton goes to the second spot.
Now Grant Edvig's trying to get to the outside of Johnny Sauter.
It's Moffitt and Crafton contact between Edfinger and Sauter, and around goes Cody Coughlin. And the caution is out.
You said we hadn't wrecked yet on a restart, Phil. Now we have.
So Moffitt and
Crafton, he just tries to get right up in front of Edfinger. There's not room to do so. They make contact, and it just stacks up the field. Then a big shove from John Hunter Nemechek in the back of the two truck of Cody Coughlin, and that turned him around.
Cody makes contact with the inside wall. You can see right there.
heavy damage to that two truck of Coughlin.
That's a shame. Cody had been really competitive all night long. Didn't do anything wrong here. Just over-aggression by John Hunter Nemechek, hitting him in the back here.
The caution is out, and that means it's going to set up another overtime restart when we come back.